How are you doing? I hope you're doing good. My name is Claire and today I'll be showing you how to prepare pilau. So if you're new here, kindly subscribe down below and give this video a big thumbs up and also share to your friends and family. So without much further ado, let's get started. So for our pilau, we are going to need 1 cup of basmati rice, and basmati rice is the best rice for pilau. We'll need beef stock. This is the water which I used to boil my meat in, and then I drained it and kept it in this container. We'll need some pre-boiled beef. I boiled my beef in water which had oil and salt, and let it cook for 1 hour. We'll need 7 cloves of garlic and 1 large onion, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, soy sauce, but soy sauce is optional. We'll need some salt to taste, pilau masala because we are doing pilau. We'll also need garam masala and garlic powder, but if you don't have, it's okay. I love adding my garlic powder and garam masala, and I also love royco chuzi mix, but if you don't have, it's okay. So let us get started. to prepare, I promise you, and it's so delicious at the end. Kindly subscribe down below and turn on the post notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video every Saturday. Give this video a big thumbs up and share to your friends and family, and definitely try this recipe out. So until next time guys, bye.